Hey everyone, I'm talking today about the Pack-'em line, the Pack-'em grass catchers. They're available right on our Pack-'em site. And you can buy the catcher like this, fully functional, comes with everything you need. But there are some accessories that you can get on our site too, and I wanted to point them out. And the first is the top grab handle, okay? This comes with the bolt kit. The catcher is already pre-drilled to accept the handle. And the handle would bolt on right to the top like this, giving you real easy places to grab this, okay? Now the second option I wanted to talk about, the swing door, you would need to have this first in order to use the swing door. Let me show you how this swing door works. This is your standard latch door, and it's completely removable. It comes right off, okay? Some people, you know, they don't want to lose the door. They might want to use the swing door. And this is how this works. By the way, the catcher already comes with the hinges, already pre-installed. So you could order the swing door, and it would just pop in like so. And true to its name, it swings. It has a little latching mechanism right there, real simple. The door will swing, or, as you know, it's also removable.